let's get to cooking. This is what we're doing today at Memaw's house. Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. Got a quick video for you. I'm going to make a lemon loaf. The lemon loaf is that dupe of the Starbucks lemon cake. You know, that lemon loaf that they serve over there? And yes, it is a dupe. My camera lady is laughing at me because she's teenage and that's what they do. So I'm going to put this together and stir this together right now for us real quick for some easy dessert because we like Starbucks and there it is. So come on, let's get this cooking done. Here are the ingredients we'll be using for our lemon loaf. I'll type them here and I'll post them in the description box. I'm going to start by whisking my flour just to get out any lumps, and then I'll add together all my dry ingredients. Now let's pull together all of our wet ingredients and our sugar. Now that we've whipped our wet ingredients and got them mixed well, we're going to go ahead and add them to our dry ingredients. Now prep your pan and pour it in. Now bake in the 350-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, y'all, so my lemon loaf is done. I put the frosting on, or the glaze on, because it was a little bit thick, but I put it on while it was still warm so that it could get all over the whole loaf. It will puddle around the sides, but that's okay because we'll eat that too later on. But that makes the glaze kind of seep into the actual loaf, and that makes the loaf nice and tender. So let's go ahead and cut it. Let my taste tester tell you what she thinks, and then we'll get to eating. Okay, y'all, so here are my taste testers. Go ahead and pinch off a little loaf. They got the butter in.
That is delicious.
Is it good?
Very nice.
Ten out of 10.
Very good.
Delicious.
10 out of 10, good.
You know
I have to taste my piece. I don't necessarily like the butter end of any bread, but I'll eat this. It's nice and moist. I don't know why I'm surprised. It was a good recipe and it came out well. So I hope you give this recipe a try. It would be fabulous with some coffee. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to make me and Peepaw some, and we're going to eat us some lemon loaf. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you get to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Y'all be blessed. Bye.